Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off YouTube Autoplay on a desktop browser. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When your YouTube video finishes playing, YouTube will autoplay a video that it thinks you may like. This can be concerning if children are watching YouTube on your account, as it may autoplay something inappropriate. Follow the steps to turn off autoplay on your account. Hover over a playing video so the on-screen options appear. Then tap the play toggle in the bottom middle of the video. When autoplay is turned off, the play toggle becomes a pause toggle, and when you hover over it, it will say autoplay is off. Now when you reach the end of a video, YouTube will no longer play another video. It will just stay on the end screen and suggested videos. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.